मैं सुन रहा था क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे, and I was thanking my stars कि मैं उस सीन में एकदम बीच में नहीं हूँ।
वो बोला 10 लाख, वो बोला 50,000 50,000
सीन के अंदर मैं ऐसे बर्दाश्त कर रहा हूँ, you can see के आंखों में हंसी आ रही है और वो हो रहा है और फिर मैंने मुंडी ऐसे करा है।
I think it's a great thing for an actor to know that you can make people laugh and you can make people cry and you can have some intensity. When I read Saurabh's role, I said, what an outstanding role it's going to be. And they said, Saurabh Shukla. I said, perfect casting.
बमन साहब, मैं आपसे एक बात ये पूछना चाहता था कि दैट कंसिडरिंग जो इसका फॉर्मेट है कि दैट हंसे तो फंसे, आप लोगों ने आपने और अरशद ने आई थिंक यू बीन पार्ट ऑफ आई थिंक 3 अमेजिंग फिल्म्स एंड 2 of them have had I think huge comic moments, Munna Bhai MBBS and Lagero Munna Bhai. I'd also like to speak to you for about Jolly, because I think that's a classic film and both of you are so amazing in the film. One of your best films for sure. But Munna Bhai and Lagero, were there moments that you just could not resist laughing while shooting with each other's deadpan expressions or moments? Were there those moments?
I think it happens a lot on the set, especially when I'm with somebody like Arshad or you know, some other wonderful actors like Paresh Bhai or Khair Saab. But in Munna Bhai, I hardly had scenes with Arshad, unfortunately.
Okay, Baman, I want to cut you. Okay, you'll remember that scene of Baman making that deal with that guy? वो जो शॉट है ना, वो बिल्डिंग, अरे दो मानो तो बनते बन गई यार। अच्छा कितना, इतने पैसे? What was that whole thing?
वो बोला 50 लाख, 10 लाख, 10,000, अरे 10 क्या 20,000 ले ले।
अच्छा, ये पूरे सीन के वक्त है ना, मैं पीछे बैठा हूँ। You notice, मैं बैठा हूँ टीवी देख रहा हूँ,
क्रिकेट देख रहा है।
हाँ, क्रिकेट वही तो। Now imagine मेरे पे क्या बीत रही थी, because I was cracking up over there. मैं सुन रहा था क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे, and I was thanking my stars कि मैं उस सीन में एकदम बीच में नहीं हूँ। तो बैकग्राउंड में मैं बैठ के टीवी देख रहा हूँ और मैं टीवी पे ऐसा हूँ, if you notice it, देखा और देख क्या रहा हूँ, क्रिकेट देख रहा हूँ मैं।
And it's a very serious scene. It's a very serious. I mean, it's funny, but it's serious. वो bargaining कर रहे हैं और क्या कर रहे हैं? वो बोला 10 लाख, वो बोला 50,000. 50,000.
But Arshad bhai, you know, जो आपके deadpan expressions आपके मुन्ना भाई में हैं, you know, that is something, the way it cracks up people.
Yeah, it is very tough. Yeah, Faridun, I'm not kidding. To keep a straight face in a funny situation is very difficult. और मेरे लिए तो बहुत मुश्किल है, मेरी हंसी बर्दाश्त में रोक नहीं सकता। और हमारे साथ कितनी मजा, it has happened so many times with me. सीन के अंदर मैं ऐसे बर्दाश्त कर रहा हूँ, you can see के आंखों में हंसी आ रही है और वो हो रहा है और फिर मैंने मुंडी ऐसे करा है, किसी एक्टर के पीछे चला गया ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ करके, बिकॉज होता ही नहीं है वरना वो कितनी बार भी रीटेक कर लो, यू कांट, बिकॉज जैसे वो मोमेंट आता है ना, वो हंसी निकलने लगती है। सो यस, आई डोंट नो ये बंदे कैसे कर रहे हैं अंदर, आई हैव नो आईडिया।
समझ में नहीं आया, really.
Right, Baman sir, you know, when people address you with a lot of encomiums, very fine actor, legend, and so many intense actor, emotional actor. But at the same time, एक जो आपके साथ में एक जो adjective जोड़ा जाता है, वो ये भी है कि a very very fine comic actor. How important is that for you as an achievement?
I think it's wonderful to know that you can do, like, if you look at Arshad's scene in Lagero Munna Bhai, he makes his standout scene is not the funny scene. His standout scene is where he gets slapped on the jetty. I think it's a great thing for an actor to know that you can make people laugh and you can make people cry and you can have some intensity and you can be mean sometimes, you can be cruel sometimes. It's called the idea for an actor is to be versatile, and that's what the endeavor is. And the moment you say that, okay, you're a good comic actor, it means that you're going for a character rather than the joke.
Your range is huge as an actor.
It's important.
If you can make people laugh and cry, you have covered the entire range pretty much.
It's important because as an actor, you're playing a character. You're not necessarily playing a funny guy. You're not necessarily playing a funny. I don't think I'm trying to make anyone laugh in Three Idiots. People laugh, but don't think I was trying to make anyone laugh. If the joke doesn't work, it doesn't work. I don't even think of them as jokes. They are situations that you want to achieve something in, and people want to see you not achieve it. there's a fun in that. That's, you know what I'm saying? People are enjoying that you're not achieving something. They're enjoying the pickle that you're in. And that's, and the same way these kids, there's 10 guys who did this this LOL, they're in the same situation. It's tough.
Right. So अर्शद भाई, आपने जब हमने इंटरव्यू किया था पिछली बार आपसे, तो आपने कहा था कि मुन्ना भाई आपको लगता नहीं है कि अभी सीक्वल बनेगा. तो आई स्पोक टू विनोद जी, उनकी किताब अभी आई थी, मैंने कहा कि this is what Arshad was saying. तो he said कि नहीं ऐसे मैं बात करूंगा अर्शद से और ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हमारे पास जब स्क्रिप्ट हमारे पास होगी तो सीक्वल बनेगा. So the world, I think, is waiting for a sequel of Munna Bhai.
There is some
next question. That's a brilliant question. Next question. I don't know. I think honestly,
I don't think we should be saying it, Arshad. But there is some news. I don't know if Fardun has heard it.
I think Vinod and Raju know better.
There is some news. There is some news, and Fardun, the news is that there is no news. Fardun.
Yeah.
No, but you know, it's really sad because I think such amazing characters.
No, Faridun, तुमने आज तक विनोद चोपड़ा की बात सीरियसली नहीं ली, ये क्यों ले ली?
Man.
All right, moving on. मेरा एक और सवाल आपको था. You know, you've been part of Jolly LLB, and I think क्या ये कहना सही होगा कि आप दोनों की करियर में one of the most special performances for both of you?
For together, yeah, I think.
No, individually. I'm saying individually.
Best performance, you're saying?
One of the finest performances. Most special.
Yeah, I think because the film in totality was so good that I think we all did our job. Yes, could be one of the nice ones. Although there are other things that I've done that I liked, and other things that Baman has done that I like.
Right. What about you, Baman sir?
I thought it was a very, very important film. I thought Arshad was outstanding in the film. I thought...
And no. In the first one, I was outstanding. In the second, I was literally standing out.
Saurabh was outstanding in the film. You know, it was a strange thing. I knew these two parts were great. Arshad had the title role. He did a great job. And then when I read Saurabh's role, I said, what an outstanding role it's going to be. And they said, Saurabh Shukla. I said, perfect casting. And I knew that my role was probably not I wanted to do the film because I think the film said something. And I went on the first day of shoot and I saw Saurabh Shukla sitting up there. And I went up to him and said, Saurabh, I shouldn't say this. I'm not putting pressure on you. But you've got it. You've nailed it. You've nailed it already. This is a national award-winning performance. I swear I said that. And I was not professor. It was so good. And Arshad was outstanding in the film. And I thought, even as a character, it was a dark and flawed character, an arrogant character. And I enjoyed doing it very much, I have to say. I enjoyed doing it very much.